Today we're going to be doing something really yummy and super easy, and this is my mini chocolate cake. For this recipe, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and our last ingredient, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. So today's recipe should be really fast and really easy. We're going to pop our egg into a large bowl. To that, I'm going to add in my milk. Grab a whisk, start whisking that. I'll add in all of my granulated sugar. And then our vegetable oil. My little bit of salt. And then we're going to whisk in our dry ingredients. So I've got my sieve ready to go. I'm just going to whisk this a little bit more. That looks good. I'm going to grab a sieve, get my cocoa powder in there, my all-purpose flour, and our baking powder. Get that all in. I'll grab the back of a spoon and just push all of that through. And there we have it. And then we're going to simply just mix all of this together. So this here, really simple. And believe it or not, this is already done and we are ready to fill our tin. We'll grab our batter and just get it right in there. And I do have my oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, perfect. And now the only thing left to do is to pop this into my oven for 25 minutes. Okay, so this was in my oven for exactly 25 minutes at my 350 degrees. This is extremely hot right now, so we're just going to let this cool and then we'll come back and we're going to unmold it. My cake has been cooling for about a half an hour. About 10 minutes after it started cooling, I just opened the little ring here just to expose air inside. If you don't do that, then what will happen is sometimes you'll get a little bit of condensation and the cake will be a little bit on the wet side. So you can just open it up and that will let a little bit of the air get inside. And then I'll just remove the ring and there is our really nice cake. And then to remove the bottom, just grab a knife. We'll just get that right underneath and it just pops right off just like that. And then I'll just cut off the top just like that. So I've just taken the cake and I've just turned it upside down because this side is very flat. So this was the bottom. I have some nice chocolate ganache here, and this here is a recipe that contains butter as well. I do have a link for that. I'll put that in the description box underneath this video if you want to see how this was made. And I'm just going to take this, and this is warm right now. It flows a lot better when it's warm. And then I'm just going to start pouring this on. And just get that all the way around. And that looks good. You can give it a little tap if you wish, just to settle it. And that's perfect. And now I'm going to pop that into my fridge and then we'll come back. So I'm going to leave that in the fridge about 20 minutes. I just want to let that set up and then we'll come back later and we'll cut into it and I'll show you the final product. That's nice. And there we have it. Very nice. I'll just get underneath there. Hopefully there's a good break. And there we have it. Let me just clean this up a little bit. And turn this around. And then we'll zoom in. So for the last part of my video, I've just zoomed in quite a bit just to show you our cake really close up. So here we have our nice chocolate cake interior and that really nice buttered chocolate ganache on the top. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. That's it, and I'll see you next time. Watch this. Look at how moist that is. Oh, that's really good. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.